Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to print in Excel. So let's get started. So simply open the Microsoft Excel, select the file which you want to print, click on open. Now this is the file which I want to print. Simply click on file and here you can see the option of print. Click on it and set the properties and click on print. And the shortcut is for printing Control P. Select the properties and click on print. After doing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.